You're driving, and suddenly, a warning pops up. Check gauges. What does it mean? Should you stop immediately? And most importantly, how do you fix and reset it? In this video, I'll walk you through what the check gauges light is trying to tell you, what causes it, and how to fix and reset it step by step, even if you don't have a scanner. Here's what to check when the check gauges light comes on. Step 1. Look at all your dashboard gauges. Are any showing high, low, or zero? Pay close attention to oil pressure, battery voltage, engine temperature. Step 2. Check your engine oil level. Low oil is one of the most common causes. Use the dipstick while the engine is cooling off. Step 3. Inspect your coolant level. If the temperature gauge is high, turn off the engine immediately. This can prevent serious damage. Step 4. Test your battery voltage. If it's low, your alternator might not be charging the battery. Use a multimeter if available. If the warning stays on, try this reset trick. Use an OBD2 scanner to scan and clear codes. How to fix the problem once identified. Add oil or coolant if levels are low. Clean and tighten battery terminals. Replace a weak or dead battery. Replace faulty sensors, like the oil pressure switch or coolant temp sensor. If your alternator is bad, get it tested and replaced. How to reset the check gauges light. After fixing the issue, the light may turn off automatically after a few drives. If not, disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes. Use an OBD2 scanner to clear codes. In some cars, turning the key on/off a few times without starting the engine can reset it. Check your manual for your model. Final advice. Never ignore the check gauges light, especially if a gauge shows abnormal readings. It can be your early warning for serious engine or electrical damage. If the light comes on frequently, or you're unsure what's wrong, get a full diagnostic scan to catch hidden issues early. If this video helped you understand or fix the check gauges light, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more how-to guides on dashboard warning lights and car repairs. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.